Hello students, today we shall learn relations and functions class 12. So let's start. In this video we shall learn about equivalence relations. Equivalence relation is a definition. A relation R on a set A is called an equivalence relation if it satisfies these three properties. Number one property is reflexive. Every element is related to itself. Second property is symmetric. If A is related to B, then B is also related to A. Third is transitive. If A is related to B and B is related to C, then A is also related to C. Easy formula will be: a relation is an equivalence relation if it is reflexive plus symmetric plus transitive. If these three properties simultaneously satisfy, then the relation is an equivalence relation. Example 1. Parallelism. Parallelism is an equivalence relation. Set all lines in a plane. Relation will be: two lines are related if they are parallel. Check the properties. First property is reflexive. Every line is parallel to itself. So line L1 is parallel to line L1, meaning that L1 is parallel to itself. Second property is symmetric. If L1 is parallel to L2 and L2 is parallel to L1. Third property is transitive. If L1 is parallel to L2 and L2 is parallel to L3, then L1 is parallel to L3. Conclusion is: parallelism is an equivalence relation. Second example, perpendicularism is not an equivalence relation. Set all lines in a plane. Relation: two lines are related if they are perpendicular. First property is reflexive. A line is never perpendicular to itself. Second property is symmetric. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, then L2 is perpendicular to L1. Third property is transitive. If L1 is perpendicular to L2 and L2 is perpendicular to L3, then L1 becomes parallel to L3, not perpendicular. Conclusion: perpendicularism is not an equivalence relation because it is not reflexive and not transitive. So perpendicularism is not an equivalence relation. Other examples of equivalence relation. First relation is same age. Relation: two students are related if they have the same age. It will satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. This is an equivalence relation. Second is same height. Relation: two people are related if they have the same height. It will satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitive. This is an equivalence relation. Third is congruent triangles. Relation: two triangles are related if they are congruent. It will satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So it is an equivalence relation. Fourth is similar triangles relation. Two triangles are related if they are similar, and it will satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitive. This is an equivalence relation. If you like this video, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.